I can't find in here from Kofoedia to Edukrom. I will run in our car pano. In Sukasia, that panuma wire bridge a manono. Or the pub and getting me and son I said from and a wakani in Aguso. Cecilia and Suono Abuafu. Ama, what's a pino? Can't ma, Unipan crossum baby, a motor Shinko into road minister. Aye, if you're running now, I go for you to a Ducrom Quino. I go PM so manano. Na nia esi ni die ani yanyan akasa nipa bewu na nia ohwe no ne nsaka.
Yo abusuafo, through telling time, brain at work. Now let me say a very big thanks to all those who are subscribing to this channel, those who are sharing the messages, making sure that it reaches authorities, those who have the capacity to take action, those who are sharing these videos, our videos, the videos of this platform, making sure that it reaches the mass, it reaches all the citizens of Africa in general and Ghana in particular. We thank all those people. Now this is what we are saying, that fix the country is all about this. We are not asking you people to go and do something extraordinary. No. You have given a road to a contractor, be it African, a Ghanaian or not. You have given a work for somebody to do, and look at the state, the conditions of the road. You will ask yourself a question. When the road was not given to a contractor, and now that it is given to a contractor, which of them is best? Which of them is better? Is the road before contract better than the road after contract, or vice versa? This is all fix the country is about. When you give the work to the person to do, inspect the work, give the needful materials, provide those things for the person to do the work, pay the person accordingly, inspect the work and make sure the right thing is done. But because when the person charge, maybe this room is going to cost you $100,000, you say no, use 30,000, just use on this thing. The person is going to do it like that, and when the thing is not well done, is not properly done, when the thing is not properly done, you will have no room, you will not be in position to criticize, because in the first place, you yourself, you didn't provide the needful materials. In the second place, you didn't appoint the qualified person. You didn't award the contract to the person who normally qualify for it. Let's listen to the video fully. Here.
I can't find in here from Kofoedia to Edukrom. I will run in our car pano. In Sukasia, that panuma wire bridge a manono. Or the pub and getting me and son I said from and a wakani in Aguso. Cecilia and Suono Abuafu. Ama, what's a pino? Can't ma, Unipan crossum baby, a motor Shinko into road minister. Aye, if you're running now, I go for you to a Ducrom Quino. I go PM so manano. Na nia esi ni die ani yanyan akasa nipa bewu na nia ohwe no ne nsaka enti weti yenka wa Accra dia Peace FM Adom FM mo news nie mo suma camera fo no amombra na nia koso de yanti ase nia koso no hwese de nsuta ho na ka kwan emo ati mienu Adom FM, Peace FM, mo news nie. Aha. Abrante ba akukra no ya to mu no. Na o ha. Ni akoso no. Akase nipa beto mu ewu. Obro ni pete anka wa bukro mu a wonya ne se. Wodi obi akroso agi ni 20 Ghana. Obi akroso a 20 Ghana. Sa pepe na ekono. Enti anuanen enti mote menka medendo hene ba me report fi kobogobo afiafi bridge no so afiafi nsuo no na ayiri saa no enti no den
now ebusia, you see all the times we say fix the country. I agree, fix the country must move with fix your attitude. You look at the conditions of the road. Look at the condition of the road. All you can do is to take camera and record a video. Somebody willingly is ready to support people cross the artificial river. Now you are inciting the person against the citizen that he should be collecting money. He should collect 20 cedis from everybody. When he carry somebody cross the water, he should collect 20 cedis. Meaning the bad conditions of the road becomes an employment for another person. So do you think the person who will be by that water collecting 20 cedis per person, when he carries you across the water, he will collect 20 cedis? Until dream pass it, are you sure that that person will wish he said government repair that road? Because the person is making 20 cedis per head because of that road. So he will not like it. He will not wish the government put the road in the good state because he is benefiting from it. So fix the country, come up along with fix your attitude. Why are you telling him that he should be collecting money instead of you to adjoin him to save people? You see our mentality. You see our mentality. The road is flooded. All you can do is to take your camera and record a video. A good Samaritan is helping the people. You are asking him to be collecting money from them. You see us. You see us. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Truth Telling Time. This is all Fix the Country is about. I agree that Fix the Country needs fix your attitude. But sometimes our attitudes is to be fixed when there is a system reserving a punishment for those who are going to break the laws of the country. Our attitudes are automatically going to be fixed. Therefore, fix the country. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for following this page, Truth Telling Time, Brain at Work. Thanks for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, look down there. If the word subscribe is in red color, it means you have not yet subscribed. Then you press on it, it turns black. Then you turn on your notification bell so that anytime you upload a video, you will be updated and follow us. Truth Telling Time, Brain at Work. This is all Fix the Country is about. Thank you. Ebe Sinshia.